A tiny sewing needle. Harmless, right? But what if it were traveling at the speed of light? Would it just zip through the atmosphere unnoticed? Or could it wipe out an entire city? Brace yourself, because the answer is mind-blowing. Let's put things into perspective. A bullet moves at about 1,500 kilometers per hour. A fighter jet, 2,000 kilometers per hour. NASA's fastest spacecraft, Parker Solar Probe, about 700,000 kilometers per hour. But light speed is 300,000 kilometers per second, fast enough to circle Earth 7 times in 1 second. Now, imagine something as tiny as a needle moving that fast. You'd think it wouldn't do much damage, but you'd be very, very wrong. Here's where things get crazy. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, tells us that mass can be converted into energy. And at light speed, even a small object has an unimaginable amount of energy. A typical sewing needle weighs around 0.2 to 1.5 grams, much lighter than a small coin, which usually weighs around 5 grams. That tiny needle would carry energy equivalent to a large nuclear bomb, possibly over 40 to 50 megatons, stronger than the Tsar Bomba, the biggest nuke ever detonated. That's the power to flatten an entire city in an instant. So, what happens when this light-speed needle slams into Earth? First, it would pierce through the atmosphere almost instantly, losing little to no speed. Unlike meteors, which slow down due to air resistance, this needle is moving so fast that the air doesn't have enough time to significantly slow it down. Then comes the impact. If it hit land, the explosion would create a crater several kilometers wide, with a fireball hotter than the sun. Shockwaves would flatten buildings for hundreds of kilometers. And if it hit the ocean, it would trigger massive tsunamis, racing toward shorelines at hundreds of meters high, devastating coastal cities. But if it struck a major city, well, let's just say the city wouldn't exist anymore. So, should we be worried? Not really. In reality, accelerating an object to the speed of light is impossible. It would require infinite energy. Even our most advanced particle accelerators can only push tiny particles to 99.999% of the speed of light, but never quite reach it. And natural objects, like asteroids, don't even come close to light speed. So, while this is a fascinating what-if scenario, thankfully, Earth is safe from light-speed needles. Now you know, something as small as a needle, if moving at light speed, could unleash destruction on an unimaginable scale. But thankfully, physics keeps things in check. What other crazy, what-if scenarios should I cover next? Let me know in the comments. And if you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. This is Raj, and I'll see you in the next one.